Oh, you know, just a typical Saturday. Starting out with a nice, quick visit to the pediatrician's office. Man, maybe we should, I don't know, rent a room there on Friday night or something. But call me crazy if you'd like, but every time the kids are sick, I kind of use it as an excuse to, I don't know, try out new treats. So today, we're gonna try, come here Woodrow. Well, I've had this before, but Woodrow hasn't, and neither has Anne. Oh, Anne has. Oh yeah, that's right, we had it together. Anyways, mochi ice cream. Are you ready, son? Yeah. So let's take a look at it.
Ooh.
Okay, little pouches of, it's like premium ice cream wrapped in a sweet, soft dough. All right.
Let's try one.
Let's grab one. Cheers it.
Well, I don't have mine yet. It's kind of hard. It's kind of hard to get it out.
Cheers it.
Cheers.
Okay, what do you think?
Mmm. It's
Good?
good.
Kind of different?
A little.
You like it?
I like it, but I'm not going to eat the rest right now.
Or ever?
Otherwise known as, no, I don't like it. We've been chugging elderberry syrup like it was going out of style. Right, baby Jane?
I want to see.
But we're still getting sick.
What?
Not cool, elderberry.
I want to be.
Say, okay, USA.
I can see.
Boom.
Boom.
Boom, shakalaka.
Boom. Boom.
You said it. You said it. Good stuff. So, the bottom line is, do I think elderberry syrup works? Maybe. Just not on us. Right?
What?
Let's go to bed. You ready?
No.
You ready for bath?
No.
You ready for bed? Let's go to bed. You ready?
No.
Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Okay.
There's a horse.
Did you have fun at your sock hop themed prom? Was it like a lot of people there?
Yeah.
Did you guys run around?
No.
Did you dance with a lot of girls?
No. Yeah. Mom was the only one who
Huh,
danced with.
that's the only girl you need to dance with for now. Right?
Right.
All right. Say good night.
Good night.